First of all, cut the measuring gauge off like this. Then put a piece of tape here and put it on the corner of the cupboard. The distance is 25 millimeters. From here to here is 25 millimeters. Then take out the lock catch. You can use this center groove to put on the corner of the gauge. Then close the door. Mark here, on the same line as the edge of the gauge. Then take out the lock body. Use the middle groove and line up with the mark that you made. Place about 5 millimeters below. Stick it and close the door. As you can see, the door is locked. Use the magnetic key to open the door. When you're not using the key, take out the key holder and place far away from children. Then put the key here.